Why? I'm playing with the beast from God and I'm recording. Oh wow, Mom! You're so crappy! Yeah, you are! Saying that I always bring up excuses! Here we go again. Now you say, how much time will it take? There's no answer. It's a random amount. It can't be days. Probably not. Or it could be under an hour. It can be under an hour. There's a windy bee in the bamboo. Yeah. Now I think he's cloud vials, which are really good for when you get like to the 35 area. When you get to the 35 area, it's really good because that's when well, basically you should get this quest because once you get a spirit title and donate to the Red Shrine, huh? Strawberry. It's at the just died again. Died. Yeah, it's at strawberry. Drops items when it goes up. It's in an area you can't get to, which is the 35 area. Do you want a reward? Just say me. Say me in the chat. Oh! Poggers! No, that was the god guy. He spawned it for us because it was the reward. Since he spawned I mean, do you think like 7 spots is dandelion or rose? Happening. It's just whenever you summon a hailstorm and then it ends when it was happening Did you know that collect honey during it? What's up, guys? Today, I only have one monitor, so you guys can kind of see when I bring up this. It's not really weird, but today we're playing with a god. He summoned a mystical meteor shower, and lots of nice things happened. My level 8 snow bear is done. My sister's playing with me. And yes, I can get the vicious bee. But first, I can't get it because I need a hive slot. But that's okay, because we will try to level it up as much as we can. And the good thing is that it will be easier to kill Tunnel Bear. Yeah, I can get it. I was gonna try to get the pedal one, but whatever. Now, it's time. But first off, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Share. Why do people even say share the video? Because no one ever shares the video. I mean, yeah, they like and subscribe, but why share the video? There's no reason to. Plus, so they would want a Karen to see their video, by sharing it on Facebook. Well, that's weird. But go like, subscribe, and comment what you. Oh yeah, also subscribe to Sarah's channel. Hers is Sarah Fun Games, I guess. She's gonna make some new videos. Plus, I know she made her channel a bit ago, but she's just still give her some support. She helped me with she helped me by getting 25 subscribers with me. And yeah, I know we got our things, I don't know, but anyways, we're gonna get the Vicious Bee. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down what you want now. Share the video, I guess. But that basically does nothing. Oh my god. We got the Vicious Bee egg! Sarah, come here. Look. We got it. She is so excited. I mean, the first time when she cried was when I got the 35th hive slot. She was so happy because she really liked it. The 35 area. But thank you all. Thank you for 25 subscribers. This is it. Vicious Bee! Oh my god, that felt insane. Is it a blue bee? No. 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 So, does it like sunflowers? I don't think... Oh yeah, we also got a new guinea pig. And also, Sarah, we're gonna summon a guiding star as well. I don't know yet. It is at Sunflower Field, which means even all the little newbies. It's at the bottom. Even all the little newbies get some help, except there's no little newbies. They get times 2.5 capacity and times 2.5 pollen. Capacity gives you extra space. No. It just helps with pollen and... No, it doesn't! It helps with pollen. Remember, you said you need... Oh. Well, I'm not a noob, so noob you! Noob you! Yeah, I guess, but most of my beef sword friends are gods. Maybe. Yeah, it's gonna be a live stream. I mean, I tried to do a live stream for Adopt Me, but I didn't really know how to work Stream OBS. Also, guys, this is my first Bandicam video with a new computer. Yeah, my sister has her own computer now, and she doesn't have to use her mom or dad's or her phone.
You might introduce someone new to my channel.
Yeah, to our channel.
My bullet card game is going down because I got like 20
Thank God we have bubbles. Huh? A legendary sprout just spawned. It is at mountaintop.
How good is it?
It's very good. It's not the best.
No point, okay.
Yeah, it is.
It takes too long.
Well, we have a god. Not really.
Why do you get it again?
Keep mining it. Or not mining. The thing popped. The stuff popped off camera while my mom and dad were trying to do something. A diamond aphid! A diamond aphid! At top. Mountain top. I got gumdrops, moon charms, a lot of bond, it's not Murgy's Bandicam. It's just Bandicam. No, the top one is real. Yeah. That's not a scam.
Is it downloading?
Probably. Diamond aphids are super rare, Sarah.
I'm gonna go to the
But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching.
Before we go to the third area. Okay, I'm going to the third area.
We got the vicious bee. It's very good.
Guys, I'm gonna go to the third area.
What's up, guys? So today we are with the god again. Yeah, 1,518. Not yet. That will really make you like this channel, probably. I probably might get a lot of likes and subs, because most people who spend money in Robux get subs and likes and But anyways, we don't have anything in here. We're gonna. I might get him, depending on if. You can't get coconuts unless you're like fighting the coconut crab or getting on like. Watch this. The pumpkin of justice. Oh, he just got stabbed. Jesus.
Oh my god, look at the honey you got.
Yeah, it's a lot. Well, this. Dang. 206 trees. That's a lot. I can definitely hear someone up here. Dang, it's a lot of gods. You're talking to. This is some god. Oh, Windy Bee! Oh, my coin scatter just activated. Do you think it will be like really hard?
You know already.
So, anyways, guys, we first we're gonna do a stick bug. In the last video, we got the vicious bee. If you haven't seen that, go check that out. And we're gonna do a stick bug. Stop it. My sister's here again. Or should I?
No.
No? Okay. Well, so we will tell you. It's not the Snowy Starter. It's not the Merry Mythical. It's not the Jolly Jumbo. But yes. Not yet. We're gonna do one quest first. Let's finish. Wait, what is mountaintop? So, hello. We are now adding a new member to the channel, maybe. Kylie, say hello. Say hello to YouTube. So, say hello to YouTube. They don't see your face. They only hear your voice.
Say hi.
She says hi. We need to get some. I could make this.
No.
It's okay. Yeah, it is. I kind of need it. No, I need more than one. This. So we need 20. That's basically 19. You know what? Sure. Now, Science Bear Quest. This is very surprising. I have 4,500 Robux. This is the most Robux I've ever had.
I'm gonna say about mine and the video on my channel.
Go check out Sarah's channel. Sarah Fun Games, is it?
Because my mic is.
There.
So I might make some videos with help.
So sunflower seeds, pineapples, white. Oh my god, that's a lot of white pollen. Goo. Ability tokens. Let's go over to that rare sprout. There's a windy bee nearby. That means there's a, if we see any clouds, that might mean there's a windy bee. And if we fight the windy bee, it's gonna be okay because we got vicious bee. There we go. Vicious bee is amazing. I'm so happy that we got him. On phone though. She's on her Papa Chill account, apparently. Also, why don't you guys go ahead and follow my, Ooh! Lots of blueberries. Very nice. I recommend not getting the spark spot. I recommend you guys not getting the spark staff and waiting to get enough pollen. Well, get the golden rake, but get enough pollen to where you can get the porcelain dipper. Especially if you're like really trying to get tons of honey and pollen, and you can get to the 30 area. You can go give a gift to On It, and when that happens, you want to go sprint to the mountain field as fast as you can, so you can collect tons of honey and pollen. Just make sure you have a good bag or lots of micro converters. There's Sarah. Right there, jumping. We might make part 2, but it's okay, because we're gonna be able to get the thing. We might have to get it now. So, once again, I'm at my hive. Once again, like, subscribe, comment what you want to see down below. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, a paper angel, business tree. I don't need these. View the inbox. Keep. This is part 2 of our getting the mega Honey Day haul. Honey Day mega haul. We are so surprised that we got this. It's so crazy. I just can't believe it. It gave me 1 gifted mythical egg. Oh my god. Right here. Sarah, look. Oh my god. 1,500 tickets I did right when I got all the items. It showed up here. I took a picture. We got 1,500 tickets, which is up here. Right here.
can you buy there?
Lots of ticket shop things. I could even get a star treat, but no. But I can get a lot. We got the Beesmas tree hat, 25 super smoothies, 500 stingers, 100 glitters, 50 gingerbreads, and 10,000 honey. And that was the Beesmas Honey Mega Haul. Honey Day Mega Haul. You're not a noob, Sarah. Also, give some support to Sarah. She's kind of needing it. So, we could get the puppy bee. We already have the photon bee. We could get the tabby bee, festive bee, and the crimson bee. We have cobalt. We could get this. We could even get a star treat. So I'm gonna leave you guys up to whether we should get a couple of more bees. Star treat makes your bee gifted, which is really good. You guys can comment down below whether I should get the bees or the star treat. And go up to the clover field, Sarah. Go up to the clover field. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh, the windy bee's gone. Very good Christmas. I got a hoverboard, which is pretty crazy. My sister, I got that for my sister, but I also my sister also got the Adopt Me Roblox toy pack thing. Aw, God, that's so annoying. But no, when you're flying up in the air and then the festive thing activates. Dang, lucky. We got 500 stingers, which is so crazy. We got
I got 5,000.
gingerbread. Oh my god, that's a lot. Oh my. Holy. Oh my. Oh my. How the. Look at this. We got 89 gingerbread bears. I can't get this. I can't get it. I need 250. It's just a bear though. I mean, it does give 2 star treats. And next thing I think we're gonna try to get is the star jelly. 1,284 strawberries. So, let me do a real quick screenshot. Pause real quick. So, this is what we got. We got 1 gifted mythical egg, 1,500 tickets, 1 Bee's Mystery hat, 1 paper angel, 25 super smoothies. That's really gonna help with grinding. 500 stingers, 100 glitter, 50 gingerbread bears, and 10,000 honey. Oh my heart! I'm so glad we got this. So, you know what? Let's test out our vicious bee more. I mean, he's like really slow. Oh my god. No. Wait. No, yeah, she does have a fuzzy bee. She does indeed. Yeah. Yours is the one with not a lot of health, I think. Yeah, mine does a lot of damage, so mine's probably the lower one that doesn't have that much. Mine's the one with not a lot of health at all. Noob you. Ooh! That is very good. My bees can't attack it. So I can't really help. Oh. Yeah?
Hi guys, I will subscribe,
Yeah, listen to her. Like and subscribe to me and her.
I only have my
No, you don't. No, you have more. Probably. No. I ain't gonna do that, but. Anyways. I don't know. And. Yeah, what do you want us to do when we reach like 1,000 or 10,000 subscribers? Okay. So I'm gonna donate to the Wind Shrine. What should I donate? Like 5 glitter? Sure, why not 5 glitter? You will. I will, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Donate. Windy's bees buzz. That means Windy bees spawned. I got. Oh my. That gave me 20,000 honey. It didn't give me any boost, but probably somewhere where a cloud is. Like probably it's at the mountaintop right now, actually. Yikes. Come on, vicious bee. Yeah, those will really help the Ooh, that windy bee strike though. That's the impale. They see me rolling. They hatin' cause I got more They hatin' cause I got 1,689 tickets. That's a lot of tickets. That's a lot of tickets. That's a lot of tickets. But there's only a little bit. We didn't get a cloud vial yet. Ooh. Maybe try to get to the wait, Sarah. Go to the mountaintop and then jump onto the moon thing.
Oh my god!
Dang. Ouch. Yeah, go ahead. Still trying to kill this thing. It's really annoying. What's up, guys? And today we are going to be using our gifted mythical egg. Sarah, give me luck. Oh. Oh, that actually really hurt. Squeeze. Come on, get it, fuzzy meat. No. Yeah. Darn it. No. He's still really good. Oh. Jesus. Like in the last video. we asked, oops, the end. Should I end the video? Like, subscribe, share the video. That's what we got from a mythical egg. This is Elijah Alcrest signing out.